Hi everyone, today I will introduce you. Facebook Group Auto Posting Software. Helps you manage unlimited Facebook accounts. Tool that can assign proxy to account. Each account will use a different IP. You can add a lot of content. Avoid duplicate content between posts. Go to Post function. When posting, you can set the time interval between two actions. Select the content you want to post. Then select the account you want to use to log in. The rest, the tool will do the work for you. Contact me if you want to buy the software. Thanks for watching.